I just found this amazing multi-tool for outdoor sports. Protective sheath, easy to carry, needle nose pliers, regular pliers, and wire cutters. 13 tools improved tool pack. Knife, saw, and fish scaler. Small flat screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. Really useful. File, large flat screwdriver. Can opener, bottle opener, cone knife, and medium flat screwdriver. Powerful tools. Open beer bottle. Butterfly open design. Safety button, locking the tools, keep from accidental injury. A gift in the package. Snowflake multi-tools. Fix your bike. Open beer bottle. Cheers! SD logo 13-in-1 multi-tool pliers.